Satellite navigation used as a means of support during a VFR flight can also be a source of problems. Its failure, however, should never lead to an emergency situation. We are ready to fly. Do we have the current aviation database in the GNSS? Have we checked the correct settings optimally according to our checklist? And are we going to navigate along the active flight plan? We know how to operate the device, and because we didn't skimp on the preparation, we are looking forward to the fact that the flight will be easier with GNSS. Still, do not forget about the correctly prefolded chart, mandatory part of VFR navigation. During the flight, we make regular checks on the location above settlements or ground features and compare them with what we see on the chart and on the display. This should help eliminate situations in which the accuracy of positioning deteriorates significantly, but the GPS receiver does not indicate any problem. Similarly, from time to time, we check that the appliance is actually connected to the onboard power supply and is not just running on an internal battery. If we suspect the accuracy has deteriorated or the GPS is frozen and does not respond, we immediately switch to solely legacy navigation with a chart and a navigation log. We check our location and flight direction, choose a point to fly to on the horizon, and only then we begin to deal with the GNSS malfunction. If the device does not have a different procedure for this situation described in the manual, then we first try to restart. We switch off the unit, wait a while, and switch it on again. If that doesn't work, we disconnect the appliance from the power supply and, if it is possible and safe, remove the battery for a while. Then we put everything back. Practice shows that some portable devices, especially tablets, have a problem at high ambient temperature. Sometimes all that is necessary is to air the tablet to cool it down and then turn it on. We can easily imagine what kind of trouble we would get into if we relied solely on the tablet or a GNSS receiver during VFR flight and there was no other possibility of navigating if they broke down. Remember the saying, GPS is a good servant but a bad master.